Have you ever felt like people only remember you when they need something? Have you ever canceled your own plans, sacrificed your rest, or given up your peace just to help someone who vanishes once their problem is solved? If this sounds familiar, then this story is for you. Because sometimes the world will keep taking from you until you learn to stop being available for everyone all the time. Once, in a peaceful village nestled among golden fields, there lived a man named Aaron. Aaron was known by everyone. If a neighbor's cart was stuck in the mud, call Aaron. If someone's roof leaked during a storm, call Aaron. Whether it was advice, help, or companionship, Aaron never turned anyone away. He believed that being helpful made him a good person. And it did. But slowly, his own life began to slip away. His fields were only half tended. His own home needed repairs. Yet he was always busy mending someone else's fence. Each evening, when he returned home tired and covered in dust, his grandmother would gently say, "Aaron, my child, you help everyone, but who helps you?" He would simply smile and reply, "It's all right, Grandma. One day, they'll remember my kindness." But that day never came. One afternoon, dark clouds gathered suddenly. The villagers rushed to bring in their harvest before the storm. Aaron ran to help his friend Leo, whose haystacks were still uncovered. Together, they worked quickly, securing everything just in time. But while Aaron was helping Leo, his own wheat lay exposed in the field. By the time he returned home, the rain had poured down and his entire crop was destroyed. He sat on his porch, rain dripping from his clothes, staring at what was left of his harvest. That night, his grandmother said softly, "You saved everyone's harvest except your own." Aaron didn't answer, but something inside him shifted. The next morning, he went to see an elder named Samuel, who lived near the forest. "Samuel," he said, "I don't understand. I give so much to others, yet I feel empty. It's not the work that tires me. It's the people." Samuel pointed to a nearby stream. "Aaron, do you see this stream? It gives water to the trees, the animals, and the fields. But when it overflows and forgets its own banks, what happens?" Aaron thought for a moment. "It floods and causes damage." "Exactly," Samuel said. "Even kindness needs boundaries. Without them, it destroys the one who gives. Stop being everywhere for everyone. Be somewhere for yourself." Then Samuel gave Aaron a simple task. For the next 7 days, do not say yes right away. When someone asks for your help, pause. Ask yourself, can I truly afford to help right now? If not, simply say, "Not today." Then watch what happens. The first day felt strange. Leo came rushing over. "Aaron, my horse is sick. Please help me take it to the healer." Aaron glanced at his own untended field. His heart tugged in 2 directions. Taking a deep breath, he said, "I'm sorry, Leo. Today, I need to finish my own work." Leo looked surprised. "You're saying no?" Aaron nodded. "I can help tomorrow, but not today." Leo frowned and left. Aaron felt a pang of guilt, but by sunset, his field was fully plowed for the first time in months. Over the next few days, more people came with small requests. Aaron continued to politely but firmly say no when he needed to. And each night, he felt a quiet peace he hadn't known in years. Then, on the 5th day, it rained again, and Aaron's roof began to leak. He looked around. No one came to help. A sad smile touched his lips. When he was always available, everyone needed him. Now that he had stepped back, there was only silence. But instead of feeling angry, he felt strong. He climbed up and fixed the roof himself. That evening, sitting dry under his mended roof, he whispered, "So this is what self-respect feels like." Weeks passed. The new Aaron was different. He no longer rushed to please everyone. He chose his own peace over others' approval. And something beautiful began to happen. People started to respect him more. Leo learned to handle his own troubles. Neighbors stopped asking for every little favor. Aaron's fields grew lush and green. His health improved. His smile returned. And strangely, people still liked him, perhaps even more, because he was no longer the man who did everything for everyone. He was the man who finally learned to value himself. One evening, Samuel visited Aaron's home. Seeing the healthy crops and peaceful surroundings, he asked, "So, Aaron, did the world fall apart when you stopped being available?" Aaron smiled. "No, Samuel. It just started to make sense." Samuel nodded. "When you stopped saying yes to everyone, you finally said yes to yourself. That's when everything changes. So, dear friend, are you like Aaron? Always available for others, yet feeling empty inside? Remember this. You are not a bad person for saying no. You are simply choosing peace over pressure. When you stop being everywhere for everyone, you finally become someone for yourself. People respect what you protect. So protect your time, your energy, and your peace." If this story touched your heart, subscribe to Wordy Dose, where every tale helps you learn English and learn life.